children and the woman I love. Yeah, let me see us I want to say a special good night to the leader of the party, Governor Peter. And I want to add a special thanks to him because in 30 days we tried to visit 127 communities. Without him, many would not have seen us in some way. I'm grateful for the effort that you exhibited. I'm grateful to the external team, all the people here, councillors and all, who came out and worked for us. I'm grateful to you, the workers, who put your all in it. Sometimes you have to lose the way. You have to understand these things. But there's a question everybody's asking, and I'm going to give you the answer. When they ask you what I'm going to do, Damian Crawford stays. What's your answer? Damian Crawford stays. When they ask you in fellowship, Damian Crawford. When they ask you in Port Antonio, Damian Crawford stays. When they ask you in Prospect, Damian Crawford stays. The worst thing when they ask you in Fury, Damian Crawford stays. And I'm staying. Because that idea never dies. And what I saw the night of the motorcade was 2,000 and odd people that believed in a message, that believed in possibility, that believed in the people's nation. From the first night I was introduced, I told you that there are three types of love. One love is reciprocal love. And the love that you have shown me, I could not desert you. And I'm staying because there is something about the people here. Even the ones that are liberals, that you can't do without enjoying and loving. And so, I, in the last 30 days, grew to love you as well. I grew to love you. And I'm staying because the children need an example. That if first you try and don't succeed, try again. I'm here to stay because of the comrades who must be reminded that there's something about this party that deserves loving, that deserves effort, that deserves commitment. And even though some of the young people don't know, most of the positive changes in this country came through the people. Don't forget that it was Norman Manley that brought political change. Independence was under PNP and Norman Manley. It was Norman Manley that did universal adult suffrage so that those who never pay taxes could vote. And I see some now selling them vote without the understanding of the importance. There was a time that if you never owned assets, you couldn't vote. if you never know land and bicycle. It was Michael Manley that bring ideological change. It's Michael Manley that make you know that you are not a backdoor boy. Because if the mind don't believe, the man can't achieve. And so when a man think he's a backdoor boy, even when the front door open, him see the back door. And Michael Manley came and gave us things like equal pay for women. So when a woman says pay me not enough for her, she don't understand that equal pay, maternity leave with pay. There was a time that a pregnant woman was sent to home because you were not going to put her and leave and hire somebody and pay she and the somebody. It was Michael Manley. No bastard happy was Michael Manley. And one of the greatest beneficiaries of land lease is East Portland. That was positive change. It was P.J. Patterson that gave infrastructure change. Nobody built more airports, more seaports, more schools, more houses than P.J. Patterson. And nobody built more road than P.J. Patterson. So when I say JP, so we come with 3 miles. I say you match 3 miles to Highway 2000. And see that there is no comparison. But we're in an age now that any lie becomes true. Especially because some media houses are advertisement agencies. And so, all of a sudden, JLP is building the most road. Where and when can the JLP compare to the People's National Party with roads? So what we're going to do, comrades, we're going to fight a different type of battle. Because you cannot fight a snake like a snake and beat a snake. You have to fight like a lion if you're a lion. If a lion fighting a snake and decides him to put out his tongue, the lion tongue have no sting in it. So he'll be defeated if he tries to fight like a snake. We are not a money party. We have never been a money party. We are the people's national party. And so, we are going to return the party to the people. Because when you come to the mommy and me class, when the kids go to the veranda basic, they will learn that peoples suggests ownership by the people. Jamaica is not PNP country, but the PNP is Jamaica's party. And we will run this country. So Norman Manley bring political change. Michael Manley bring ideological change. P.J. Patterson, infrastructure change. And Portia Simpson brings social change. And that was resisted because when Michael said the street sweeper son can become a doctor, it means that the doctor son can also become a street sweeper. And there was no doctor that wanted a risk that their son might become a street sweeper. There was no one buying in the market that wanted the risk that their child might come sell in the market. Because they knew the privileges of society. They knew that there's a war in our society. That those who have privilege fight to keep it. And those who don't have privilege fight to get it. Those that have privilege will fight to maintain. And those who don't will fight to attain. And that is why Bob Marley said, until the philosophy that holds one man superior and another inferior is eradicated in the war. And that war is not a physical war. It is a mental war. And so Peter Phillips, with the help of all of us here will bring mindset change. The People's National Party, seemingly starting in East Portland, will remind our people that none but ourselves can free our minds. And so as workers and supporters, we are going to volunteer for the people. We are going to befriend the people. We are going to go around and interact with the people so that election time, our campaign is a reminder of what we have done and how we have done it. Comrades, the work of East Portland workers isn't reserved to canvassing, isn't reserved to political planning. We are going to volunteer to do Mommy and Me classes. And we are going to volunteer to attend Mommy and Me classes. The gap between comrades shall be reduced by proving that we, each one, will help. We will do in East Portland our veranda basic. And therefore we will go to all children, PNP children, JLP children, all children. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. How many times? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There is no black man that is a laborant. He's a confused PNP. We will go to the confused PNP with the message of the PNP, with the conscience of the PNP, with the principles of the PNP. And we will prove to them that there is no place for them in the Jamaica Labour Party. For the next 2 weekends, I will be teaching CXC mathematics to anyone interested in East Portland. And as a working group, we should put our own money and get our own vote and prove to them that independence is the only excuse. There comes a time in the life of men that we have to look in our hearts and our conscience and say that we are not working only for the PNP to win. We are working for Jamaica to be better. It is because Jamaica become better that the PNP will always win. We will prove through our efforts and our energy that they can take the seat, but they can't take the victory. The victory is ours. What we see here tonight is a group of people that we can depend on to volunteer to help put in some water solutions on our road by ourselves. So up and done such already. They have the material. We got to go up there and build the catchment as commons. And other areas that need the same, we will go up there as masons and plumbers and electricians. And we will volunteer. And I will mix cement until I learn to lay block. And I will lay block until I learn to bend steel. And I will bend steel until I learn to lay pipe. But when it is finished, we will all be better for helping our community. They will not be able to say in the general that I don't know Portland. only one thing will change for the next election. So take them all the boards for me and put them up. We're not spending no money on boards. The boards will be the same. The song will be the same. The candidate will be the same. The only thing that will change is the outcome, because the victory will be ours. The message will be the same, because comfort can never be better than freedom. We need a Jamaica where we're educated as a people, where we're independent as a people, where we're earning our profit by ourselves as a people, and where we interact with our communities to develop and build our communities. All of us here start by getting 50 people and campaign for the next year to that 50 people. When we're ready for your canvas, you should be able to tell from year 50 how much remain, how much attained, and how much do business. We will not buy votes. We will sell a vision. So I'm going to take a risk to show my commitment. But I'm going to ask that it not be abused. I'm going to give you my one phone number. That number is so that if needs be, you communicate. Because if 1,000 people call me for 1 minute, that's 1,000 minutes. I don't have enough minutes. We don't have enough minutes. But I want you to WhatsApp me in between now and Friday. Your name, your division, and a picture of yourself. And I will lock that as the starting blocks, as the cornerstone of the revival of East Portland and the People's Nation. So are you ready for it? Now each number is going to represent 2,000 votes. And I'm going to start with 1. So that's 2,000. 876. Now both up. Or 8,000. 4. We're not ready. Start over. 1. 876. 4, 2, 8. 1, 1, 6, 8. That's 10 numbers. We will see if they can be 20,000 votes for the next election. And people, I thank you, I love you, and power to you.